Hey guys, MJ here from nitecore. Congrats on owning your new NES or NPS power station. Alright, so now many of the owners, after they bought it, they realized that hey, how can I maximize the solar charging potential? Right, because the maximum charging input of the power station is about 160 watts, but usually when they connect their 100 watt solar panel, it only gets about 60, 50, 70 at most. Right, so how do I get it to the maximum? So I don't want to, always have to bring the power station home, plug it into a wall outlet to charge, right? Some of us are running it outdoors. The station almost permanently lives in your car, vehicle, or van, right? So how can I get it running faster? Especially during a rainy season, right? We only have a few good hours of clear skies, good weather. How do I maximize the charging speed with the limited amount of good sunlight per day? Right, we want to keep it going and not have to bring it back home to charge. The answer is to get more solar panels, right? So some of you have already gotten the 100 watt free solar panel that came with your power station. If not, we do have this amazing double solar panel offer. I'm going to level the playing field for you guys. For those of you that have been wanting to supercharge your charging, this is the bundle you're looking for. Alright, so we're going to bundle in two 100 watt solar panels, right, combined with two parallel charging cables. So each of these cables allow you to connect two solar panels into one output. So imagine if this was outputting 60 watts, this is 60 watts. So with this cable, you can get an input supply of 120 watts. Right, you can combine it with your existing panel this way, so you can daisy chain it in a YY formation, if you can imagine the cables. Then you can have a maximum of 160 watts charging into your power station, so you don't waste any good weather. Alright, you always get the maximum charging in the shortest amount of time. To max out the efficiency of things, I also throw in the nitecore SPM10, right, the solar power meter. This allows you to read the output that the panel is generating by plugging it directly in here or through this two to one parallel cable into here, so you can see exactly how much two is generating into one. You can connect this straight to your power station, or you can connect this to your power banks. So there are many situations where, okay, the sunlight is good, you've managed to fully charge your power station. Now you got your panel sitting in the sun not doing anything. Right, with this, you can charge your power banks, your phones, your devices, anything else that needs to be charged. You can do it with this, right? It has USB-A and USB-C output, alright, and of course the 12 volt output here. If you already have a power station, or you just want to have more panels as backup to keep in your garage, your car, vehicles, different vehicles, right? If you have multiple solar panels, you want to split things up, two power stations at different locations with double panels each. However you want to mix it up, this is the most efficient way that I can help you do that. 200 watt portable solar panels, parallel cables, and SPM10 solar power meter. The price of this insane bundle is in the description below. If you're keen on something like this, just click the link and we'll have this out to you in no time. Alright, that's it. MJ signing out.